Hi there, Lee Farnell here from Everyday Empowerment Institute. Everyday Empowerment Institute. Everyday Empowerment Institute. What do we mean and what is our mission at Everyday Empowerment Institute? Well, let me tell you this. One of the key things that we are in the business of is literally everyone, every day, everywhere. Everyone, every day, everyone, every day, everywhere. What we want to be doing is clearly not only empowering, we want to give people the information. We want to give them information and the tools that not only inspire, not only inform, but what we want is this. Everyone, every day, everywhere, improving. What are we talking about? We're talking about Kaizen, continuous and never-ending improvement. Everyone, every day, everywhere, improving. But what do we mean when we say that? What we mean is we're going to have incremental improvement. So often people in coaching talk about what to do. Sometimes they even talk about how to do it, but they make it so vague, and so often the steps are too big. You need to have micro improvement, so that what happens is it's easy to make the steps. What we talk about at Everyday Empowerment Institute is not only informing with a pile of information, but providing clarity, because you want to make sure that the ladder is against the right wall, that you're actually moving up in the right direction with the right strategy. So we're talking about clarity of information, clarity of systems and strategy. So part of that then means that what we can have is implementation. What is it that needs to happen to do? And what we know about human beings is often you need to have a way of being accountable. Accountable to who? Accountable for what? And that then means count, because we want to make sure, in most cases, that what we do from a business point of view is helping you make more money. We talked about this the other day, that power, the formula for power is work over time. How much work do you get done over time? And work is force times distance. How much energy, how much force you can apply to move at and get how far? Force times distance. How far can you go with what energy? That is the work. So when we're empowering you, we're allowing you to move faster with more energy to get more done. Empower, to give you the power to realize your full potential. Whether we're talking about life and relationships and health, whether we're talking about career, where you work with or for somebody else as an executive or employee, or you're running your own business. We want to help you realize your full potential in life, full potential career, full potential in business. And how to do that? So that everyone, everywhere, every day is improving, being empowered. Kaizen in life, Kaizen in career, Kaizen in business. Come and join us so that we can help you, empower you to make your world better. Change for the better, empowering you with clarity, empowering you with growth. Come and join us. Do a discovery call. Let's have a exploratory discovery call to see how Everyday Empowerment Institute can help you. Come and join us.